What did justice really look like in the Roman Empire? Far from blind, Roman law was a stage where power, fear, and inequality played out under the scrutiny of the public eye. Roman justice was a tool to maintain social order, often harsh and spectacular. A senator and a slave might face the same crime but received vastly different punishments, from exile to crucifixion or death in the arena. This system was designed less for fairness and more to reinforce hierarchy and obedience. At the heart of Roman law were the 12 tables, established during the Republic to provide legal transparency. However, these laws applied unequally. Social status had a profound impact on one's fate under the law, with patricians often enjoying leniency denied to plebeians and slaves. Trials were held openly in the forum, presided over by a magistrate and judged by lay jurors from the elite classes. Speeches were timed by water clocks, and character witnesses could influence verdicts by attesting to the accused's moral standing rather than facts alone. Punishment in Rome was as much a public spectacle as a sentence. Exile, fines, and public humiliation stripped citizens of rights, while brutal executions like crucifixion or the infamous pona culle, where the murderer of a father was sewn into a sack with live animals and drowned, served as powerful warnings. The military applied its own harsh discipline. In one brutal practice called decimation, 1 out of every 10 soldiers was randomly executed to punish cowardice, illustrating how even chance was used to enforce order. Roman prisons were rarely long-term punishments. Instead, they held accused awaiting trial or execution. The Mamertine prison, for instance, held state enemies in dark, confined spaces. As the Roman legal tradition evolved into Byzantine times, criminal procedures became more regulated, with written testimonies and legal participation rules reflecting changing social and religious hierarchies. Roman law's reach into everyday life depended on local acceptance and integration with native customs. After the widespread granting of citizenship in 212 CE, a hybrid legal culture emerged blending Roman and regional traditions. Ultimately, Roman law was everywhere yet deeply uneven, its justice visible in the law courts and public punishments, reflecting a society where power and status shaped the meaning of crime and consequence. Enjoyed the video? Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. See you in the next one.